안녕하세요. Welcome back to Talk to Me in Korean. I'm Yeji, and today's Korean lesson is about this really fun Korean word, 설마. Let me say it a few times. 설마, 설마, 설마. In short, 설마 is used when you want to say no way or I doubt that, or when you think that something is highly unlikely to happen. You can either just say it on its own, like 설마 in casual language, or 설마요 in formal language, or set it as part of a longer sentence. So first, let's look at an example of 설마 or 설마요 in formal language used on its own. The first dialogue is in casual language. 반말.
문 잠긴 거 아니야?
설마.
Now let's hear the same dialogue in formal language. 존댓말.
문 잠긴 거 아니에요?
설마요.
In this case, instead of 설마, you can say 그럴 리가, which is short for 그럴 리가 없어요, meaning it can't be true, or 에이, which is like come on. But you have to say it with a look of disbelief.
그럴 리가. 에이.
So, in order to use 설마 in a longer sentence, you need to use some specific endings. The easiest sentence form is the basic question form, following 설마, like 설마 저 싫어해요? It means it's probably very unlikely, but do you hate me? Or 설마 여기예요? Which means I doubt it, but is it this place? Or it can't be this place, right? So that's the simple sentence form. Now let's learn some slightly more advanced structures. And let's use the expression 비가 오다, to rain, as a common example for these sentence structures. All of these examples are in 존댓말, formal language. Number 1. 설마 비가 오겠어요? 설마 비가 오겠어요? Number 2. 설마 비가 올 거라고는 생각 못 했어요. 설마 비가 올 거라고는 생각 못 했어요. Number 3. 설마 비가 올 줄은 몰랐어요. 설마 비가 올 줄은 몰랐어요. The first pattern is 설마 so and so 겠어요. The 겠어요 ending expresses assumption, and used along with 설마, it expressed doubt. Or you can turn it into the negative form. 설마, so and so, negative form. Let's hear some examples.
설마 경화 씨가 저한테 거짓말을 하겠어요?
설마 경화 씨가 저한테 거짓말을 했겠어요?
설마 진짜로 지금 갑자기 비가 내리겠어요?
설마 비가 또 오지는 않겠죠?
The second pattern is 설마, so and so, 고는 생각 못 했어요. 고 생각하다 means to think that, and 고는 shows emphasis. 생각 못 했어요 means I couldn't think, or I wasn't able to predict or guess. Some examples.
설마 경화 씨가 저한테 거짓말을 할 거라고는 생각 못 했어요.
설마 이 소문이 진짜일 거라고는 생각 못 했어요.
To better understand how these sentences are used, make sure you form your own sentences using your own situations and experiences. Okay? Alright, now the third pattern is 설마, so and so, 을 줄은 몰랐어요. 을 줄 몰랐다 in this case means did not know that so and so would happen. So you can use this ending when you want to talk about something that you never suspected would happen. Let's look at an example.
왜 울어요?
경화 씨가 제 과자를 다 먹었어요.
설마요. 경화 씨는 그런 사람 아니에요.
저도 설마 경화 씨가 제 과자를 먹을 줄은 몰랐어요.
설마 거짓말하는 거 아니죠?
제가요? 설마 저를 의심하는 거예요?
And before we finish this lesson, I want to introduce just one more thing. It's an idiomatic expression and it goes like this. 설마가 사람 잡는다. Again, 설마가 사람 잡는다. 설마 is what we are learning today, and 사람 잡다 is to put someone in a dangerous situation. 설마가 사람 잡는다 means if you just say 설마 and doubt that there will be a risk, you'll be in danger. Okay, do you understand 설마 and how to use it in sentences now? I hope you do, because that's it for today's lesson. If there are parts that were a little bit too fast or difficult for you, please review the specific parts, and you can also do a simple Twitter search using 설마 for even more real-life usages by Korean speakers. And I can say this to you right now. 설마 아직 저희 채널 구독 안 하셨어요? There is no way you're still not subscribed to our channel, right? 에이, 설마. 당연히 구독하셨죠? If you want to continue learning Korean with our lessons, please visit our website at talktomeinkorean.com, join our chat room at Discord, and share your progress on social media and tag us at TTMIK. 감사합니다. 그럼 다음 시간에 만나요.
저 다리가 아파서 지금 집에 가도 돼요?
네.
아픈 거 진짜일까요?
설마 준배 씨가 저한테 거짓말 했겠어요?
설마 진짜로 지금 갑자기 비가 내리겠어요? 설마 비가 또 오지는 않겠죠?